Greetings, my viewers. Welcome back again. Hope all is well with everyone. You know what I mean? Strength and guidance out there. Yes, to the topic about Prettydon. Say she have a video where she had this up the king. Sizzla Kalonji. Right now, to the way I'm disturbed, we didn't even talk too much right now. Me I go into some of it, then after that me discuss. Discuss what how she a go on and what she are dealing with. You know what I mean? Let's get into it.
Sizzla Kalonji. He done sniff off his stop. Brother, you say you're one of the most intelligent artists, them articulate, well-rounded, educated, mindset firm. But you actually done, you know. You see your behavior, the way you act, you're done. No matter how much things you did read already, no matter how much things you say you have attained, education wise, you're a fucking dunce. Yes, Sizzla. You're one of the duncest artists me know. Just your mindset alone when you have and the way you talk and the way you act, you're dunce, you're fuck. Me not care what nobody wants to say. I want to see you down. The bright artist now. That man is illiterate as fuck. You understand what I say? You see your aura, how you carry yourself, you can carry yourself dunce, you know. And Sizzla is a you see the other day one time, him never have no US visa and them little thing there. Only thing him did a mash up was plaque and them little thing there. Since this man get this visa, you know, first of all, a torch in our party is a fire hazard, you fucking idiot. A whole heap of Jamaicans never did realize and know that. That is actually dangerous to have in a party. Torches, you understand what I say? With live people, with live here. You understand what I say? It's a torch, it's fire, it's all of that. It's very, very dangerous. You can catch somebody head of fire. You can catch something of fire. But it was always anything but blaze fire. It was dumb. From the very fucking beginning, it was stupid. It was a fire hazard from the very start. You understand? So you know corrupted and vexed because you're there for your Batman rant and your Batman cussing and your Batman sang them and you want touch and you want you're an illiterate man. You need to sit down and look in at your blood clot self, dada. Nobody not tell you and Foot and the rest of people them not to eat Batman and Sodomite. It dead if it do. You understand what I deal with? Nobody not telling us if to do that. Someone who want implement on a way of life on people too much. Sizzla ain't nobody fucking you, nigga. Bitch, you yourself, nigga. Stop push what you want from other people. That go suck your mother and sit down in one corner with that, brother. You see, this is ground here when me sit down on it name America, freedom of speech, bro. Me can tell if you go suck your mother and go away. Pussy, you know nobody, you know God, you know no Dan to me, you know nothing. You just want idiot rasta with beat girl and promote violence. Me don't know how people have you as a man who preach peace. Sir, you're the epiphany of hate.
You see what me I talk about, Aya? So now that you know, I'll say what I was talking about. Now we can discuss on this topic. You know what I mean? And first and foremost, me have to say, Prettydon, I have no respect. Yeah? She not have no respect for her elders and no one around her. And this is not the first time another bad wagon may I look or nothing. Rasta now look that for jump on. You know what I mean? And not the first time I do a vlog on Prettydon. The last time if you check me think, you see me do a vlog on her where she had disrespect various artists. You know what I mean? Where me even too care about a straight reggae music and them thing them I listen straight. I listen to the dancehall and them thing that too deep, you know what I mean? Certain style enough for Rasta, so we have to keep the fire blazing. Yeah. And as me say, she go on her ramp and disrespecting everybody and all that. feel that you're mightyful and high on your chair that you're riding, but you have to remember they have a saying say the high pedals chair where you sit down upon you might fall off one day. And remember say that stool or the chair where you sit down upon it not too the far from ground, you know. So I just all a tip off and your chin over there so or you know the breeze can blow so and you're gone. So keep by yourself, as my granny used to say. You don't know. Relax. You know what I mean? And yes, people are gonna say everybody have free speech. Everybody can say what they want to say. Who is this person? Who is that person? You know they have to debate that. You know what I mean? Yes, everybody have free speech, but sometimes it's how you carry out certain things. You know what I mean? You have certain caliber. I tried. You not even have certain caliber. Yeah, I try disrespect a man of. You know what I mean? Honor. Yeah. A man who people look at him as, you know what I mean, one of the rebellious one against oppression and the Babylonian system. Yes, everybody have them ways, yes, Prettydon. Everybody have them ways. Just like how you have your ways. You know what I mean? Yeah. You have your ways. You see me? But where's the moral and respect for others? And because you're online on your platform or talk anything, you remember you're there behind your phone and you have your fans them where you bribe you up and them thing there. You know what I mean? Cyber badness as me say. But what about when you face the person in real life? Where you go to Prettydon? You have to be careful what you say. Remember, you know, I see him Sizzla Kalonji say words of the mouth, you know, defile the heart. So you have to watch what you say. Cause watch I know Prettydon. This is why you go up on your rant and I try disrespect Sizzla Kalonji, you know. This is why.
How will you say about the fire, Yafa? Eh? How will you say about the fire? Where next one? Fire no dirty man, let me see it again. Fire no some pussy, let me see fire. Fire no fire. Fire no oil. Yo, don't run with me. What are the fire? I'm saying what I can't see my man bomb up like fire on that. I want to. Let me see it again. And then you know where I'm take it off for the last class stage. Where next one then?
That is it, Dada. That is it. And that's why you're mad, Prettydon. You have to know, sir. Let me show you something. You have to know, sir, Sizzla do them thing a long time. Prettydon. From Goodley alone, you're in a belly. Them money are blaze the fire. Them money are lose a lot of things. You know what I mean? Him work permit, him visa and all them traveling documents that just for you blaze the fire. Just like no fireman artists, Rasta me I talk about. So you have to know them things at Prettydon. So if Sizzla Kalonji I go say something where offend you and all of that, you know what I mean? Yes, you can come out and say something, but I never directly to you, you must say it and all of them something there. Knowing your lifestyle. You see me? Yeah, he or she now have to come out and I go on so. Because he or she know who is Sizzla Kalonji too. Not because you think you're the overseas, you're going like, you know who is Sizzla Kalonji, you know. And this is not me. Yes, this is not me coming at you with no threat or nothing, you know. You see me? This is not me even defending Sizzla Kalonji. Because I man no live where a man live. But based upon my observation and growing up, you know what I mean? Militantly seeing how Sizzla Kalonji move and, you know what I mean? Watching the eye over the years and decades. Me have to say me rate the king higher. And I them man there, when I man will inspire and I for I ras up. You see me? Them man the songs. You know what I mean? Brings liberation to thy spirit. Yeah. So you have to know you are talk to Prettydon. And you know too. Because you know you will get a page out of that same book. One day you're going to get a page out of that same book you see you have there. A turn. And bet you say you don't want to see that page there again. Yeah, man. You're going to get a page out of that same book, the Prettydon. May I tell you that. Yeah. Dada do a lot of things for the warrior them, man. And the empress them. To you, man. Dada keep the fire burning. Dada got a lot of places. Go keep the uprighteousness and equal rights and justice for all. I want to you when we oppress, Dada step through and they sing out in vocal cord. When other people in a dance hall are sing be a corruption and a follow corruption, Dada out there. I burn down Babylon. Because poor people oppressed, we tired of sufferation. I want to tell you, man, Prettydon. You move like you forget who's Dada. You know what I mean? And as me as Prettydon, you keep on going on and going on. Yes, nobody has no claims I know almighty or whatever, but a man stands for certain creeds and certain rights. You have to understand that he's not going to change because some of you online want certain ways of him to be changed. Alright, look at this analogy, right? For instance, a man have a pig pen with pig a wallow up in a mud and them thing there. I evening time he wash up the pig them and pig then clean back and thing. People look on them nice and clean back. You see me? If this man fit think like the pig and go be like the pig them and wallow up in a mud and them thing there. Everybody a go be pig and dirty. You see me? Everybody a go wallow up in the mud. So me said there this fi say Sizzla Kalonji is just like that example. You know what I mean? A lot of man out here in the same corruption and run down the same dirty lifestyle and anything there and the idea they purge it out same way. You know see how long that I purge it out from young and now him a get old. They are purge it out. The man can't mix up in the same dirtiness too. A man after dead if you save it, man. Everybody can do the same thing higher. I'm Prettydon. I wish here this happened to Norris, man. You forgot what happened to Norris, man? Let me remind you.
Live and love your life. Find out. Sing again. Live and love your life. Turn it up. Nice. Let's show them the top. Alright. Kalonji. Stop the noise, my child. Don't disrespect the stop. Now, they allow this. Come on for the bomb class. They allow this. Suck your mama. Well, not just yo, be able to say. Yo, be able to say. Alright, the artist, come on, artist, come. Circle artist, come. Circle artist. Take time with him, artist. Alright, take time with him, artist. Circle.